Today, I'm super excited to share with you my personal experience with the amazing electric spin scrubber. As someone who values efficiency, this little device has been a game changer in my cleaning routine. So let's dive right in and see how to use it. It's lightweight, cordless, and comes with multiple interchangeable brush heads. The ergonomic design makes it easy to hold, and the water-resistant feature ensures it's safe to use in wet environments. To get started, simply attach the brush head that best suits your cleaning needs. Whether it's tough grime or tiles or delicate surfaces, this scrubber has got you covered. Make sure to charge the scrubber fully before using it to maximize its efficiency. It usually takes a couple of hours to charge fully, and the LED indicator will let you know when it's ready to go. With the brush head attached and the scrubber fully charged, powered on using the user-friendly switch, the high-speed rotating action of the brush will save you time and elbow grease. Now, let's put this bad boy to work. I love using it on my bathroom tiles, kitchen sink, and even on outdoor furniture. The bristles do all the hard work, removing dirt and grime effortlessly. Don't worry about water splashes while cleaning. The water-resistant design ensures that the device remains safe and functional, even if it gets a little wet. Once you're done cleaning, it's time to clean the scrubber itself. Just detach the brush head, rinse it under running water, and let it air dry. Easy peasy. This electric spin scrubber has truly revolutionized my cleaning routine. It saves me time, effort, and ensures that my surfaces shine like new. If you want to make your cleaning tasks a breeze while having more time for your passions, I highly recommend trying out this electric spin scrubber. Trust me, it's a game changer. Be sure to check out the link in the description box below for more info and where to get your hands on this fantastic device. Like this video if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more content like this, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my latest tips and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning!